Hello everyone, I am not a doctor and I am not doing campaign for any organization. I am just telling my own personal story, history regarding the disc bulge and the recovery. These are my symptoms. Pain, I had pain in left leg radiating from buttocks to the foot, even the fingers of the foot. Tingling in left leg, back pain, pulled leg muscle, that was the hamstring muscle, numbness in feet, pain in left leg while coughing, pain in left leg while sneezing, difficulty in bending, burning in feet, needling in foot like sensation, and especially the restlessness at night in both the legs. These were my symptoms that I faced at the very beginning and during 2 or 3 years of my sciatica problem. Here is my MRI magnetic resonance image. This shows that I had L5-S1 disc bulge that was compressing my nerve root. Because of this, pain was radiating from this point and was radiating from the buttocks, upper leg, lower leg, feet, and even the fingers. After a lot of painkillers, steroids, I found that all were temporary. I did research and decided to get rid of this issue permanently. Here are my 20 tips and exercises. Please requestly listen to these tips and exercises. You will get rid of this issue. Number one, remember there are 20 tips. Listen all carefully and follow these. I reduced my weight as I was little overweight. More weight will press the disc more badly and problem will be increased. So if you are overweight, kindly reduce your weight as per your BMI. Number two, stop the inflammation causing foods like potatoes, rice, sugars. I mean, more carbohydrates, more inflammation, more pain. Less carbohydrates, less inflammation, less pain. Reduce the sitting time as much as possible because more sitting will compress the spine more badly. That will affect the spine and the sciatica problem. Number 4 point is reduce the standing time as much as possible. If you are walking, this is good for spine. If you are just standing, this will put extra pressure. There are following exercises. Number 1, these are not the googled exercises, these are the exercises which I followed and cured permanently and accurately. Number 1 is the cat cow exercise. This exercise cause the mobility of the vertebral column, vertebrae, spine, more blood flows and more chance of recovery. Number 6 is the child pose. This pose reduces the stress on the spine and eventually it helps in the recovery of the sciatica. Number 7 is the decompressing spine by stretching. You can hang yourself from a bar. This will stretch out. This will stretch out the spine and so more blood flow to the spine and recovery will be fast. Number 8 is the Kegel exercise. Remember, this is the best exercise to strengthen your core muscles, your back muscles, your buttocks muscles. Follow these exercises. At least do thrice these are exercises. It will hardly take 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Number 8 is the bird dog exercise. This is the one part of the McKenzie exercise. This is very helpful in strengthening the back muscles. Remember, if your back muscles are strong, they will bear the weight, bear the stress, and disc intervertebral disc will become free and will be ready to be recovered. Number 10 is the Mackenzie exercise. You can see in this picture. This pose helps to reduce the stress and decompress the spine. Number 11 is the Sphinx pose. This is very helpful. This is very helpful. Do as much as possible. Number 12 is the Mackenzie exercise. There are a lot of exercises in this Mackenzie exercise method. Kindly just do Google search. You will get a lot of exercises regarding this and follow which your spine bears more comfortably. Remember, don't do that exercise which cause yeah, which or which increases the pain. Number 13, this is very important and our daily routine practice. The cross section picture, if you are brushing, this will make a huge pressure on your spine. Just put one foot little higher. This will reduce the stress of spine. All your force and weight and stress will be applied on the higher level foot and spine will become free. You can check this method immediately. If you are riding the bike, just do the colored red colored position is beneficial, so jumps will not affect the disc much. Number 15, this is very important as daily routine matter is the sleeping. During sleeping position, put a pillow in your below your legs, or the other position to sleep is the pillow between legs. This will free the spine. I'm sorry if I cannot talk properly, and but I am trying to give my message to theirs. Number 16 is the weight lifting. First, don't lift weight. Don't lift weight. Avoid as much as possible. But if necessary, in some emergency, just follow the right method. Just follow the right method. In this picture, you can also see the sitting position. Don't bend at your laptop or the table. Just put your table and sit on a soft chair, sofa, or etc. The mattress, and stay straight at 90 degrees. This will reduce the spine. If you are using a toilet, just sit at the 35 degrees. So there will be lesser pressure on your spine. Number 18, avoid constipation, as the constipation is the mother of all diseases. During constipation, when you are removing the excreta, there is a huge pressure on the spine, which will damage the cartilage of your intervertebral disc. Number 19, sorry, this is mistake. Eat healthy diet like dry fruits, mutton, collagen rich foods, because if you have good diet, there will be good blood flow, and more blood flow, more recovery. As you people know very well, our cartilage, the intervertebral disc, the disc which is present between our vertebrae, is made up of the cartilage. Cartilage has very little blood flow. If you are doing exercise and eating much healthy food, your blood flow will be maximum, and the recovery speed will be very high. Number 20, there are certain supplements for blood like iron supplements, so red blood cell will be increased. Vitamin D, vitamin B12, this is very necessary, as during sciatica our burning is due to the neuropathy, means our nerves are getting damaged. The burning sensation is due to the neuropathy. Just increase the vitamin B12 for neurogen tablets, which are the food supplements for our nerves, to make stronger our vertebral column, bones, cartilage. Just increase the calcium, vitamin D levels, so the healing of intervertebral disc becomes faster. Remember, friends, this is very common issue. You are not alone. Many people are suffering from this issue. Even now, a lot of younger, I myself 30 years old, affected from this issue. Of 6 years, 6 years I was suffering from this issue since 6 years. Then, after proper exercise and diet plan, I recovered fully from this issue. So you can. This video is just for motivation and little guidance from my side. Inshallah, you will get okay if you follow these instructions. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe and like, share, so more people can follow this. Thank you. I have no other demands. I am not doing campaign for any medicine, for any doctor, for any physiotherapist. And avoid the quacks which just put the steroids and make your stomach and kidney damaged. The painkillers, avoid the painkillers, because painkillers uh, are just for temporary pain relief and also damage the kidneys. I will share the videos on the effects and side effects of the steroids, medicines, painkillers, anti-inflammatory, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medicines. Take care. Allah Hafiz.